If you notice this noise, your car could be in trouble. That high-pitched squeal when starting the car or at idle could be your timing belt sending warning signs. But when should you replace it? And how can you tell if it's about to break? Today, I'll explain the signs, the risks, and what you should do to prevent your engine from being destroyed. The timing belt is a toothed belt that keeps the crankshaft and camshafts in sync. Thanks to it, the valves and pistons work in perfect harmony. If it breaks or goes out of timing, the collision between internal parts is so severe that it can destroy the entire engine. Manufacturers recommend replacing it between 60,000 and 100,000 kilometers, or every 5 to 7 years, whichever comes first. But if you drive a lot in the city, with constant traffic and stop-and-go starts, it's better to replace it sooner. There are warning signs you can't ignore: strange noises when starting, like squealing or knocking, loss of power when accelerating, rough idle, difficulty starting, or even excessive smoke from the exhaust. These symptoms indicate that the belt might be loose, worn, or that the tensioner has lost tension. Here's one of the most common mistakes: replacing only the belt. Every time it's replaced, the full kit should be changed. This includes the tensioner, pulleys, and often the water pump. If any of these parts fail, they can damage even a brand new belt. Some modern engines, like the PureTech, have oil-bathed belts. This can cause them to swell or crack prematurely. A simple inspection with an inexpensive tool can detect this problem and prevent costly repairs. In summary, follow the replacement intervals, check the entire kit, and don't ignore the warning signs. Timely maintenance costs far less than repairing a destroyed engine.